Good afternoon. My name is Matt Brown. I'm a second-year law student here at BYU, and I'm excited to be here to talk about community law help for immigrants because it means that it's developed and progressed to the point where it deserves a little attention. And last semester, I just started as kind of an idea where we wanted to give immigration help to some people, but now we have a huge collaboration, as Lena described. And I'd just like to talk about just express a few of my thoughts about this program. Last semester, when Bill Logan and I were kind of starting out, we decided we wanted to do an immigration clinic, and we went down to talk to as many people in the Boulders apartment area as we could and kind of see what they thought about the idea and see where their concerns were. We went to ESL classes and talked to people, and we made a lot of new friends. And just talking to some of these people, we found out that they had concerns about work and employment, about landlord-tenant issues, criminal law questions, immigration issues about family-based petitions, and questions about starting their own businesses. And I really appreciated Letitia's comments because what she said in the examples she gave goes right along with what we're trying to do and the kind of concerns I see that are out there. And just talking to these new friends, we saw that they had such great ideas and potential, but that they were holding it back. And as we discussed kind of the problems they had legally or otherwise, they had a lot of concerns, but they just weren't really confident that they could do anything about it themselves. They seemed a little bit unsure of themselves and where their place was, and a bit intimidated by the system, so to speak. So we saw an opportunity to start some monthly seminars and give them the opportunity to meet with attorneys and to learn more about the law and to interact with a number of community groups so that they could become empowered. And just the main point that I just want to emphasize right now is that the whole goal of community law help for immigrants is not just to provide a service to answer a legal question for these people. We don't want to be the typical clinic that just provides a quick solution, a quick service, and then says see you later to these people. I just don't really think that we should feel good about ourselves when we just provide a service and we don't care enough about the person to take them past that first mile. So with this program, our goal really is to get away from the typical lawyer-client relationship where one party knows everything and basically tells the other party what to do. And that's the end of it. Because, to be honest, the classical lawyer's method does nothing to help people's potential and may even aggravate people's perceptions of their own powerlessness. So in a way, we take the approach that doing good in the short term by providing a quick service may actually be more detrimental in the long term because we're telling the people that they can't do anything without our help, that whenever they face problems, they're powerless themselves and they need to come to us. So what we want to do through this program is have the people gain confidence and play a major part in crafting the solution to their own problem. We want them to be able to find a voice and be able to have the confidence to share their story. And we who are part of the community law help for immigrants want to be able to learn from their stories as well. And I just wanted to tell about a friend I've made through this program named Guadalupe. He lives in the Boulders community in Southwest Provo. And I met him, and he had questions about, he's not a citizen, but he wants to become one. And he began coming to the monthly seminars where we have attorneys come each month and talk about different issues. And he actually learned that he really does not have the opportunity in the near future to gain citizenship, and that was disappointing to him. But at least now he knows, and despite this apparent setback in his personal plans, over the course of the last 6 months, he's recognized that he has a role available to himself in helping other people, and now he's become a major advocate of our program. He has a lot of friends at work and in the area, and he is really one of the main people that promotes CLHI and has people come out. And even though he can't really help himself at this point, he's helping other people. And I just think that it's so much more powerful to have an immigrant or someone who's in their situation share an experience or tell how things are rather than to hear from a law student or from an attorney. So that's just a little bit about what our program's about. I'm grateful to be part of it because I've made a lot of new friends, and it's kind of that people are facing in our community, and just aware of the potential that's out there for them to take care of it themselves. And like Lena and Bill, we just want to invite everyone to participate in this collaboration. Invite everyone out to the meeting tomorrow. Yvette Diaz is a great immigration attorney, and she's going to be speaking on employment issues, which is a major concern for people in this area. So thank you for your time.